Rules to draw ray diagrams for convex mirror. Draw a line segment. Using a ruler, mark 3 points, P at 0, F at 3 centimeters, C at 6 centimeters. Use a compass and draw an arc for convex mirror. The compass needle or point should be placed at C. C is called center of curvature, and pole to center of curvature is called radius of curvature. The outer surface or bulged surface of the mirror is smoothened, and mark dashed lines, that is silvering of mirror. The line is called principal axis. There are 4 rules to draw ray diagrams for convex mirror. Line segment, mirror, pole of the mirror, focus of the mirror, center of curvature of the mirror. Principal axis. Rule 1. Ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis. Parallel to the principal axis. Beam of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection, as if it appears to be coming from the focus. Line segment, pole, focus, center of curvature, principal axis, a mirror, convex mirror. A ray of light going towards the center of curvature of convex mirror is reflected back along the same path. A ray of light or beam of light going towards the center of curvature reflects back in the same path. P, F and C. Principal axis and convex mirror. Rule 3. A ray of light going towards the focus. Beam of light going towards the focus, and reflection becomes parallel to the principal axis. This is nothing but exactly opposite to rule number 1. As usual, P, F and C. Principal axis, mirror. Rule number 4. A ray of light which is incident at the pole of a convex mirror. Beam of light incident at the pole, and angle of incident is reflected back, making the same angle with the principal axis. This is angle of reflection. Always I is equal to R. That is, angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. You have to select any 2 rules out of 4 to draw ray diagrams for convex mirror. Pole and focus, center of curvature, altogether is called principal axis. Mirror. When the object is beyond C1, the first rule, parallel to principal axis and deviates as if the ray is coming from focus. Second rule, pointing towards the center of curvature or C and return back in the same path. Where do the 2 reflected rays meet? Reflected rays are here, divergent. They won't meet, so produce them backwards, and the image is formed. Nature of image: virtual, erect and diminished. When the object is on C1 parallel to principal axis and deviates as if the ray is coming from focus. Second rule, pointing towards the C and return back in the same path, image is formed between P and F. Nature of image, virtual, erect and diminished. When the object is between C1 and F1, first ray parallel to principal axis and deviates as if the ray coming from the focus. Second rule, it is going towards the center of curvature, return back in the same path, and the image is formed between P and F. Nature of image, virtual, erect and diminished. Principal axis, when the object is on F1 parallel to principal axis and deviates as if the ray coming from the focus. Second rule, it is going towards the center of curvature and return back in the same direction or same path, and the image is formed. Nature of image, virtual, erect and diminished. When the object is between F1 and P parallel to principal axis and deviates as if coming from the focus. Second rule, it is going towards the center of curvature, return back in the same path. Image is formed. Nature of image, virtual, erect and diminished. In all above 5 cases, that is, when the object is beyond C1 and on C, between C1 and F1, on F1 and between F1 and P, the image is formed between P and F. The nature of image for all cases is virtual, erect and diminished.